Refrigerator cooler today, cooling unit. It's in this box. Whenever I picked it up, I noticed this crease here. It looks like it could be damaged. I don't know. There's a couple of gouges here. I looked for some this side up labels, but there are none. It was standing with this end up whenever I picked it up, but I don't know. I went ahead and I cut loose the tape that was around it, but I figured I'd grab my phone before I opened it, just to kind of document the unpacking. So a couple of those things were still stuck in, staples. All right, so the back of it looks okay. Okay, I'm guessing these are the other components. There was a fan and a heat sensor or something. Nothing looks damaged on this side. Uh-oh. And I think this is supposed to be round. It's flat on the bottom. I don't know if that was squished. I'm gonna go in and get the tripod. There's a piece of wood up here, and it looks like, yeah, I think it's bolted to the product. I'm gonna get the tripod, set this up, and pull this out, and check the other side of this, see if it's damaged. So instead of a tripod, I got my helpful wife to assist me. We're gonna go ahead and pull this out of the box to see if this is actually damaged or if it's something that I can work with. Finish opening this up. And that end goes down, so I'm going to set it up this way. I'm going to come over on the other side of me here. On the truck. Yep. Looks like all of the coils are okay. Yeah, looks like all the coils are okay. I don't see any damage there, but this exhaust vent here is smashed. So, whatever this is, it may not even be an exhaust vent. And it looks like it might be able to be fixed though. I might be able to pop that loose. It's already loose. There's supposed to be these holes here, the tabs. There's the male side of those tabs on the other side. That's supposed to be latched, like this bottom one here. Can you see that? So it goes around and latches in, and this insulation is just packed around it. I don't think that's a vent, so I think that's fine. All that's for, it appears, is to keep this cool. Unless that's a pipe. Yeah, it's a pipe. Not sure what that is. Go ahead and set this down. All right, so that's the flue itself, and this gets hot. So yeah, it's not damaging anything as far as the functionality of it. And it's all going to be hidden anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and accept it as is and fix that. But I don't notice, I mean, these look a little bent, but that just could be the way they ran, because there's no abrasion marks on them or anything. Some gouging here where this has got smashed up against it, but that's the insulation backer. So, I don't know. I mean, one of the things that happens when you order from UPS, they don't care about your packages. What do you think?
I think it's fine.
You think it's fine? Alrighty, I'm gonna set it back up there. Work on reforming that before we put it in. Thanks.